Hi, I'm John Bevere, author of The Bait of Satan. Now you may be thinking, what would be the bait of Satan? Well, it's one word. It's called being offended. You know, Jesus made this statement, remarkable statement, Luke 17 verse 1. He said, it is impossible that offenses should not come. What Jesus is basically saying there is if you breathe air, you drink water, you are going to have the opportunity to be offended. But what you do with that offense determines your future. Either you're going to become stronger or you're going to become bitter. Now, the Greek word there in Luke 17:1 for offense is actually an ancient Greek word that was originally used to describe the bait stick of a trap that hunters would use to catch small animals and birds in. The word is actually a scandalon. And what the hunters would do is they would put the bait on the scandalon, and the animal would take it, and the trap would either close and kill the animal or capture it. Thereby, an offense is the bait of Satan to pull a person into his captivity. You know, Paul the Apostle confirmed this by saying in 2 Timothy chapter 2 that those who are in opposition with one another, they're offended with one another, they're taken captive of Satan to do Satan's will. That's pretty scary. You know that you may think you're serving God, you may think you're helping people, but in reality, you're releasing waters tainted with bitterness rather than rivers of living water. I have preached this message all over the world. I've preached it in conferences with tens of thousands of people in the attendance. I've preached it in large churches and small churches. Every place that I have proclaimed this message, all over the globe, I have seen at least 50% of the people responding saying that I am offended. And most of them didn't realize it until the message exposed it. You know, Jesus said about the second coming, the last days, He said, in this season, before I return, offense is going to run rampant in the church. It's going to lead to betrayals, and it's going to lead to even hatred. And He said, because of it, deception's going to be rampant. So that tells me that an offense is the breeding ground for deception. And He said, as a result of this, the love of many is going to go cold. You know, that word love He uses isn't love in general. It's the love that people get when they become a Christian. Jesus is saying a lot of people, the love, the fire of God in their heart is going to grow cold because of coming into that trap. I believe this book is going to help many, many more. It's already helped over 1 million people, but it's going to help many, many more people get out of this deadly trap and be productive and fulfill what they are placed on this earth to do. I'm really excited about the 20th anniversary edition of The Bait of Satan, and I'm very excited about all the lives that are going to be helped. Thank you for joining me and helping us to get this message out that God desires His church to hear.